takes away the right moment.
Is there any porn on there?
No.
Do you want to turn the music off and
Are you okay?
Robbie, I want to copy this.
Yeah, you can all, it'll be on YouTube. Smile, everyone!
I've seen the big metal box number.
Where's Neil?
It's a WMD, there you
I think you do too, really.
WMD, innit?
That is unreal.
Rob, do you get them from Saddam Hussein's grave?
Hey?
Did you get them from Saddam Hussein? Look at the size of them.
Disneyland.
Huh?
Disneyland.
Disneyland? You got them from Disneyland?
Well, we want to aim one at our neighbours, so that's why we've had so many before. Number 58, we're about to blow her up, and we just need an excuse before. Right. And Jim is hard at work setting the ignition. Look at that steely face. We fizz on the neighbours' fireworks. And particularly hope to annoy number 58. We do not like this woman.
No, it's fine, we can wait. This is going to be awesome. Why are you recording me?
What's awesome?
This is going to be awesome.
No, your bigger brother, Robert.
Yeah, you're awesome for getting these fireworks as well as Jim. Now
Just think,
don't
mother,
go bigging yourself up too much.
mother could be sat watching from a hospital bed.
She will be. It looks over this way because I went up
Does
there
it?
today. Yeah, it looks all over this way.
Oh, I should see them there.
I said to her, because I texted her, that's why the fireworks are going off at 8:30. So Mum can be there watching, but I think she's going to have her up now, actually.
No, it's not going down till later.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know. Yeah, I think it is. He double checks his wiring. Oh!
Hey! I'm excited about that.
Plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again. Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screens and no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you, 'cause there's a spark in you, you just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just own the night like the 4th of July. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go as you shoot across the sky.
Both give me reassuring words.